The Honor Magic V5 is finally official. Look at how ridiculously slim this phone is. It measures just 4.1mm when unfolded and 8.8mm when you close the phone, which is the same thickness as the Honor Magic 7 Pro, but with 2 screens inside here. It is also lighter than before at 280 grams, which officially makes this the lightest and thinnest foldable phone ever made. So here's my first impressions. The Honor Magic V5 might look similar to the Honor Magic V3, but there are some design changes that makes it look distinct from its predecessor. Starting with this new color, which is called Dawn Gold, and it is my personal favorite color because it looks very low profile yet premium with this bronze color. It's not entirely gold, which is something that I like, and it even has this hairline brush finishing here that gives it a very nice design. Now, the camera bump is thicker than the Honor Magic V3, which isn't necessarily a bad thing because the phone is already so slim, yet it has to pack larger camera sensors this round on this phone. So you're gonna expect some kind of design compromises right here. And once you slap on a case, you really wouldn't notice the bulge of this camera. Now, since this is already an even slimmer foldable, you might have thought that Honor would downgrade the battery capacity or remain the same as the Honor Magic V3, but in fact, the Magic V5 features an even larger 5820 mAh silicon carbon battery, though the charging wattage remains the same, 66 watt wired supercharging and 50 watts wireless supercharging, which is still very impressive compared to some other foldable phones in the market. Honor didn't just make the Magic V5 slimmer and lighter than before, but it is also stronger and more durable. First of all, the Magic V5 features a new hinge called the Honor Super Steel Hinge, which makes it more durable than before, and it has lesser components, which is the reason why it is lighter than before. And of course, the crease is also very much reduced this time, which you can't really see it on screen unless you really pick at it really closely. So this is definitely a huge improvement over the Magic V3. Honor has also upgraded the IP rating of the Magic V5 to IP58 and IP59, which is the very first foldable phone to feature 2 water-resistant ratings, and it means this phone can take on strong water pressure jets and hot temperature water, which is the first for a foldable phone. Specs-wise, the Honor Magic V5 is powered by a Snapdragon 888 processor with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. This is definitely a better performing phone than the Magic V3, and I'm really enjoying the performance that this phone offers when it comes to at launch and gaming. So yeah, that's pretty much all my first impressions on the Honor Magic V5. It is overall a much improved foldable than the Magic V3, and I can't wait to share with you more in the full review that is coming out on the channel, so definitely stay subscribed for that. So that's all for this first impressions video. Let me know your thoughts about the Honor Magic V5 in the comments down below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for other videos coming right up as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one.